How to delete Spotify account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Spotify account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually delete your Spotify account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Spotify application or from your browser. So if you're doing it from your PC, you can also open your browser and just go to spotify.com and sign in. It's much more easier on the browser. Once you log into the account on your browser, tap the gear icon located from the top right and then just go to this option called support. And once you go to this option known as support, so let me just come back and tap on the support option again. When you go to support, you're going to see this type of interface where in the search button here you have to type in something similar to close or something like your account or anything. So as you do that, here you'll be able to see closing your account and deleting your data option. Just click on that article and it will take you to this page directly. When you're on this page, if you have got premium, first of all you can just tap on this link. If you don't have premium, you can tap on this link. So if you don't have, you can see close your account and delete your data. If you have, then click on this button. If you don't have, click on this button here. Once you just select that option over here, you'll be taken to this new page. Do you need to close? All you need to do is confirm it by tapping the close account option in order to successfully close your Spotify account. That's all it takes to go ahead and basically close your Spotify account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.